Hi, this video tutorial I just explain you how to add B2B billing in retail trading. For B2B billing, first you want to add some fields, want to fill some details in retail ID software. The first thing is you want to add your GST number in company information. So for that, just click on the master entry. Okay. Company information. Here the option company information. Here you want to put your GST number, GSTN. Okay, I already filled that details. Then after that, click on the save button. Then close. Then next thing is want to add the customer GST too. So the customer GST, you just click on the customer entry in master entry option. Just click on the customer and want to fill all the customer details including GST. Okay, if you are not adding any GST number for your customer details, it's will showing on B2C. If you are adding customer GST number in customer entry, then it will show B2B billing. Okay, so I am added one supplier Milky Mist. So just added the GST number too. Okay, then moving through the sale panel, just select the sale panel. Okay, then here you want to select the customer name, Milky Mist. I'm just selecting. Okay, then after that you want to add the products 1002. I'm just scanning the barcodes. Okay, then click on the payment option. Yes, this bill is in B2B and this B2B is showing on tax reports in retail ID software. So you just check it on tax report. Just click on the tax report. Then GSTR1 report is available. GSTR1 report. You just click on the GSTR1 and click on the B2B. Then get data. Yes, that details will showing here. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.